Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the blower, motor, fan, fuses and relays are located, where you can expect to find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So guys, for the blower, motor, fan, which fuses and relays we need to check, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban here. Practically the same vehicle. The Suburban is just a little bit longer. You have many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. We recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban. Go ahead, open the driver door. Here on the side of the dash you have one cover guys. Okay, that cover here. Go ahead, pry it open, and behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all you had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, we'll work actually in 3 different fuse boxes. We need to check 4 fuses. We'll talk about relays as well. Now here what we need to check on the driver's side, we need to check fuse number 24, which is double fuse, very special fuse. If you want to see where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Next you need to find fuse number 28, which is another double fuse right here. So 24, 28. Then you go to the passenger side, you need to remove the same cover on the side of the dash. Once you do that, you have another fuse box. Here guys, you need to check fuse number 45, okay, right here. Very important fuse, check that one. Next you need to come to the trunk guys. In the trunk, if you look inside the trunk, that cover here, if you open it, you have another fuse box, okay, excuse me, and that fuse box looks like this one, okay, right here. So this fuse box guys, okay, what we need to check specifically, fuse number 10, and fuse number 10 will be that fuse right here, very important fuse as well. Now about relays, there is very limited information about that. Most likely guys, there is no relays, but sometimes you may have, by the way, let me show you integrated relays. If you open the hood on your Chevy Tahoe Suburban and you open the main fuse box in the engine bay on the driver's side, that's what it looks like. Now underneath, okay, underneath that fuse box, actually on the bottom you have some integrated relays that are not serviceable, not replaceable. There is limited information about that, but it's very likely that we have a relay there that's for a blower, motor, fan, heater or HVAC system as well. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find. And if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck, guys, in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.